Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a Truist review and explaining what it is, how it works, the pros, the cons, and who it is best for. Truist is a large financial services company in the United States, formed from the merger of Bank of America's rival companies. It offers banking services like checking and savings accounts, debit cards, loans, credit cards, and wealth management products. One of the main strengths of Truist is it's a full-service bank. You can do everyday banking in the app or online, manage money, pay bills, use debit cards, deposit checks, and apply for credit or loans. This makes it convenient if you want everything in one place. Truist also has a large branch network and ATM access. If you prefer in-person help, you can visit branches to talk to staff, get support, or open accounts. Another benefit is mobile banking tools. The Truist mobile app lets you check balances, transfer money, deposit checks, and set up alerts so you can stay on top of your accounts from your phone. Truist offers features like online bill pay, budgeting tools, and fraud monitoring, which can help you manage your money responsibly. However, there are some downsides to know before you decide. Some users report that account fees, like monthly maintenance fees, can be higher than alternatives unless you meet certain balance or activity requirements. Interest rates on savings accounts may be lower compared to online-only banks. Some customers find that customer service experiences vary depending on location and how busy support teams are. Because Truist is a large institution, wait times on calls or in branches can vary. So, who is Truist best for? Truist works well for people who want a traditional bank with both online and in-person support. It's a good fit if you value having branch access, ATM networks, and a wide range of financial products all in one place. Overall, Truist is a solid choice for everyday banking, with strong tools and services. Just be aware of potential fees and compare interest rates if growing savings is a priority. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.